Finally, there are some who have said that the decision means that we have reverted to a pre-9/11 mentality, or that we don't realize that this nation is at war. 3 weeks ago, I had the honor of joining the President at Dover Air Force Base for the dignified transfer of the remains of 18 Americans, including 3 DEA agents who lost their lives to the war in Afghanistan. These brave soldiers and agents carried home on that plane gave their lives to defend the country and its values, and we owe it to them to do everything we can to carry on the work for which they sacrifice. I know that we are at war. I know that we are at war with a vicious enemy who targets our soldiers on the battlefield in Afghanistan and our civilians on the streets here at home. I have personally witnessed that somber fact in the faces of the families who have lost loved ones abroad, and I have seen it in the daily intelligence stream that I review each day. Those who suggest otherwise are simply wrong. Prosecuting the 9/11 defendants in federal court does not represent some larger judgment about whether or not we are at war. We are at war, and we will use every instrument of national power, civilian, military, law enforcement, intelligence, diplomatic, and others, to win. We need not cower in the face of this enemy. Our institutions are strong. Our infrastructure is sturdy. Our resolve is firm, and our people are ready. We will also use every instrument of our national power to bring to justice those responsible for terrorist attacks against our people. For 8 years, justice has been delayed for the victims of the 9/11 attacks. It has been delayed even further for the victims of the attack on the USS Cole. No longer. No more delay. It is time. It is past time to finally act. By bringing prosecutions in both our courts and military commissions, by seeking the death penalty, by holding these terrorists responsible for their actions, we are finally taking ultimate steps toward justice. That is why I made the decision. Now, in making this and every other decision I have made as Attorney General, my paramount concern is the safety of the American people and the preservation of American values. I am confident that this decision meets those goals and that it will also withstand the judgment of history. Thank you.